Let's solve Leetcode number 189, which is rotating an array. What does it say? You have to rotate a given array to the right by k number of units. So this is your array. There's two ways to solve this. The first one being the most basic brute force solution, that you create another array, right, and then you calculate the new index. The new index would be something like, okay, so if this is the 0th index, where in the new array will the number 1, which corresponds to the 0th index, reside? So let's mark all the indices over here. Okay, so if you rotate it by 3, your 7 arguably comes over here, then it gets pushed over here and 6 follows, and then it gets pushed over here and then 5 follows, and the rest of the array remains the same. This is what your array will look like, correct? And so what you're going to do over here is you pick the value of the index, which is 0, you add the value of k, and well, assume that you're over here. What you do when you add the value of k, you get a new index is equal to 8. Does that make sense? There's only 6 indices over here. It doesn't, right? So what you do is that you mod it with the k value. So again, you have 5 plus 3 mod k. So whatever you have, your new index is equal to the old index plus k mod size, right? So once you do that, you basically get all of the new indices, and then you populate this second array, and then you return this second array as the first array, correct? Second thing you can do, which is a more optimal solution, is that you reverse this entire array. Okay, you have 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Does this look sorted to you? Of course it doesn't, right? I mean, does it look like the final answer that was something like 5 6 7 1 2 3 4? Well, no, it doesn't. But you notice something. Go to the k is equal to 3 value and make a partition. You have this and you have this, and then you have this and you have this. What do you notice? Aren't these things just one reversal away from being the right answer? They are. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to reverse starting from here up till here, and then we're going to reverse starting from here up till here. But now let me ask you something. What happens if you have an array like 1 2 3 and your k value is something like 5? So you have to shift them by 5 units. How do you reverse that array, right? And how do you make that partition over there? All you have to do over here is again mod this k value with the size. Yeah, so as I was saying, all you have to do is mod the k value with the size, and that's how you get the partition index, correct? So let's go ahead and write up the pseudocode for this. All you have to do is you have your function, you have your nums, which is the value name of the array, and you have the k value, right? So first you reverse starting from nums dot begin up till nums dot end, right? Then you reverse from nums dot begin to nums dot begin plus k mod nums dot size, correct? And then you reverse from nums dot begin plus k mod size up till the end. So you have nums dot end, and there you go. That's your answer.